Hello everyone, it's Chris here. Welcome back for a new video. Today we have unboxing of Fire TV stick with Alexa voice remote, and it's a second generation. I've decided to buy this product because I got an old TV without smart features on it, and I would like to see on it Amazon Video, Netflix, Spotify and so on, and I don't want to change it because it's a 3D TV. So I've decided to buy this product. This product, it's 1080p HD. It has a quad core, Dolby audio and Alexa voice control. Inside the pack we got Amazon Fire TV stick second generation, Alexa voice remote, 2 AAA batteries, a power adapter, USB cable and HDMI extender cable. So to work you need high-speed internet with Wi-Fi and a TV with HDMI input. So let's see what's in the box. Here in the box we got some manuals for how to use this product, and we got a cable, HDMI extender, and we got AAA batteries from Amazon. We got micro USB cable, and here we have a brick, a K brick, to connect with this micro USB cable to power this Fire Stick product from Amazon. The power socket is right here, so this device needs to be powered all the time, so it's not taking power from your HDMI socket. Here we got a remote which connects Alexa to this device. So inside the pack we got the UK brick, the HDMI cable, AAA batteries, the Fire TV stick, and we got this HDMI extender cable if you don't have too much space on the back of your TV. So that's all for today guys. I hope you liked my video, and please subscribe for more and click the bell, and if you have any comments, do them down below, and join me next time for a review of this Fire Stick from Amazon. Thanks for watching. Till next time, all the best. See you soon.